Alis na ba kayo?
Oh, tara na.
Wala.
Huling pusa, lumabas na siya.
Please na.
Doon ka.
Nagpulo kayo nga ba?
Ay. Ginagawa mo? Yes. They have a cat here. Oh. They have two cats. What is name? What is your name? Hi. And you have this one also.
Akala ko mamaya pa tayo alis mga 10:30. Regalo.
They have a cat. So guys, while you're waiting for Maki, not Maki. So guys, while waiting for Darwin, because he's changing his clothes, we need to sneak out the refrigerator. What's inside of the refrigerator? Let's go. So let's open it. It's a refrigerator raid. Refrigerator raid. Okay, let's start first with the fridge. Okay. So they have hot dogs. They have 4 pieces hot dogs. They have beef. And they have, what is this? Chicken. What portion? This is a mixed portions of chicken. And this one is a whole chicken. So that's it. And also this one, ice cube. So let's go to the lower part of the refrigerator. Oh, the cat is here. Hello. Oh. Hey. Come. Okay, let's open now. Oh. Okay. On the chiller, they have 2 hot dogs. What is this? Oh, a mango. A tissue. What is this? From Burger King. Dressing. It's a potato on a water. And what is this inside? Let's see, guys. Oh, what is this? It's gelatin with the corn. And this one is, they have 3 apples, eggs, and no more. Oh, the cat, look, he went here in the refrigerator because it's cold. And here they have, what is this? It's a onion. They have a lot of ketchups. What is this? Vitamin C. They have red chili, they have green chili, they have lemon and another apple. What is this? Mozzarella cheese and shrimp, salted shrimp, apple cider vinegar. What is this? Mentex. I thought this is already. A apple juice and a raspberry jam. So, come here now. Kat. Go down.
Okay, ito yung sasabi ko. Yun hindi naman siya.
Okay lang yun. Bye! Bye, Kat! Bye! Bye, Pussy! Bye, Pussy! Naiinitan sila kasi napupunta sila sa kwan kanina. Refrigerator. So, that's it, guys. We already raid the refrigerator. So, let's go na to the Riyadh Mall.